positions. I can't.
Oh.
Charlie's like terrified in the corner.
Hey, they were playing. Fergie.
Fergie, what are you doing? Playing with his tail.
What do you think, Charlie?
He's like, oh,
Go get your girlfriend. There. Right there. She loves you.
He's like, I'm tired now.
She loves you. Oh, yes.
Why are you always going between people's legs? You're being a good boy. Charlie's like, I think I'm done playing now.
Fergie's like, I just began.
I had to have the chair.
Where'd you go?
Going behind the chair.
Fergie. Hey. Where'd you go?
Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Oh, puppies. Yeah, there's no way I'm going to get a picture.